How to make a new account on Pinterest. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can create a new Pinterest account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to make a new Pinterest account, just go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the Pinterest application, make sure to download it and then open it up. There are various ways on how you can basically create a Pinterest account. One is that you can just directly create a separate email address. So if you don't want it to be associated with other social media, you can just create a separate email address account. But if you want to do it for the ease of your convenience and then you want to sign up using your Facebook or Google, you can absolutely do that as well. And if you look at the bottom, you have two options such as continue with Facebook or continue with Google. You can choose to tap and continue with Google. Make sure to allow the permissions for your Pinterest account by just tapping the allow option, and once you've done that, you will get successfully signed into your Pinterest account using your Google account. So that's all it takes to sign up or make a new account on Pinterest. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.